In this video, we will be installing the sixth element Toyota Tundra rear recovery points for the 3rd Gen Tundra. Each recovery point is CNC machined from 7075 billet aluminum. This kit comes complete with 2 bolts. It's accompanied washers, lock washers, and for extra lockiness, lock nuts. Now we are starting off this install on the passenger side by first removing the highest, most rear through bolt that is located on the frame rail. You will need a 22mm wrench, a 24mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, and maybe a breaker bar. This next step is specific for the hybrid model. The hybrid model has a little speaker next to the frame rail. This is the, I think it's called the Acoustic Vehicle Alerting System, or AVAS for short. Whatever this is called, it needs to be unbolted from the truck to make room for the upper bolt to be removed. This needs a 12mm wrench and some patience. Once loose, the top bolt for the recovery point can be removed. The supplied bolts should be installed with the lock washer next to the head of the bolt, followed by the flat washer. Next, place the recovery point next to the frame rail. Insert the supplied bolt with all of its accompanied washers and lock nut, and then insert the factory bolt with its accompanied washer and nut. While tightening, push up on the bottom of the recovery point to ensure proper alignment and then tighten both bolts. Torque to 90 foot-pounds. Here's a better look at the bolt and bracket that attaches to the acoustic vehicle alerting system to the frame rail. Remember to reattach it after the install of the rear recovery point is complete. Now let's get going on the driver's side. Lower the bed step and repeat the process, but now without the acoustic vehicle alerting system being in the way. These bolts are a little tight, so be sure to bring the muscles. Now that you've mastered the passenger side, take a deep breath, in and out. The driver's side will be exactly the same, and you already know what to do. As you loosen those bolts, imagine the stress of the day loosening too. Each turn of the wrench brings you closer to peace and proper recovery point alignment. Feel the calm in your workspace, tools in hand, clarity in mind. Yes, the instructions are identical, and that's a beautiful thing. Tighten each bolt with confidence, with serenity. And when you're finished, admire your work, balanced, secure, and strong. You're not just installing hardware, you're installing tranquility. Every recovery point is anodized in red or black, offering protection against the elements and long-term resistance to corrosion. This bolt-on kit rear recovery accessory is designed for a clean, straightforward installation that anyone can do in their driveway.